Thunder show. Wow. That is one hell of a lightning. Come on, let's see one more. It's going off there and on this side too. Huge crash. Oh, that's a big cell over there. Whoa. I'm so tired, the wind almost blew me down. Just let me get one on video. The wind almost blew me down all of a sudden. Look, Harmony, stand right there for a second. You might get to see some thunder and lightning. Are you kidding? I love telling people what to do. Wagon? So fun. Except I almost got hit.
I was lucky that I got it when I got it because there was three. There were three. They were all the same size. I think and there was one color and all the and everybody knew it was going. Oh yeah, electricity is going on and on.
Whoa!
What was that, man?
Holy shit! See the smoke over there, folks? That's wow. The thing that's been videoed of lines blowing up, that just happened right there.
Oh.
Did you hear that thunder?
Yeah. Did it hit a tower thing?
No, something over there just blew up.
Oh, something.
Yeah, super bright blue. It didn't sound like a transformer. It sounded like just a shitload of electricity.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, no,
Hey, dude, something over there just blew up, hella bright blue. Did you hear it? It went brrr, like that real high electric sound. Huh?
Oh, the TV went out, Garrett.
Wow. Whoa, more lightning right there. This is my TV, Dad, honey.
No.
Aha. We'll leave it off, would you? Yeah, get some candles, baby. This is going to be kind of a long video, YouTube, but there's some kind of cool stuff happening. That was the highest electricity sound that I've ever heard when it was right over there. That was super, super loud. Yeah, I caught that on film. Yes, I did. Haha. I think I might have even got the sound.
He's like, oh shit, that's nothing. Lightning here's 2 feet wide. I'm like, yeah. It did. Something just blew up. Spirit was
All right,
outside
thanks,
the spot.
folks.
I came out. I'm trying to
I'm gonna post this.